Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this particular video, we are going to be discussing the trend catcher indicator. All right, the trend catcher indicator. I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. Okay, it is actually a custom indicator, so you will need to download it from an external source. After doing that, you need to add it to your indicators library for your MT4 platform, and then you'll be able to use it on your chart after you must have restarted your terminal. Okay, so as you can see on the chart, this indicator is quite an interesting indicator that helps you to identify the direction of trends. Okay, this indicator actually uses mathematical algorithms. It uses mathematical algorithms to analyze historical market data. Okay, it helps you to filter out market noise, and focus on relevant data. Okay, so as you can see on the chart, this indicator uses visual representations, right? Uses clear visual representations of momentum and trend direction. Okay, it helps you to identify the clear direction and momentum of the market using these visual presentations. Now, the indicator shows you the direction of the market by sloping in that particular direction. All right, for example, in a sell trend, the indicator you can see is sloping downwards. All right, while in a buy trend, you can see that the indicator is sloping upwards. Okay, so it's quite easy. In a buy trend, the indicator is going to be sloping upwards, while in a sell trend, the indicator is going to be sloping downwards. Now, in addition to identifying the direction of the trend, the indicator can also show you momentum, right? Increase in momentum, increase in volatility by the length of these bars. Take, for example, during this period of low volatility, you can see how the bars were short, right? Now, compare it to when we had these long bars. Compare it to when these bars began getting long. It shows that there was an increase in momentum. Can you see? You can see how sharp these red candlesticks were, how long it just quickly dropped. And here again, it quickly began to rise. So there was an increase in momentum, around here. So that was signified by the increase in the bars of this indicator. All right. So when there is a sell trend, when there is a prevailing sell trend, the indicator color is going to be red. Okay. So it's going to be red in a prevailing sell trend. Then in a prevailing buy move or buy trend, it's going to be green. Okay. So when you also have increase in bullish momentum or volatility, you're going to notice an increase in the length of the bars. All right. So as you can see, initially when the bullish move started, right, you can see that the bullish move started around here first, but there was some consolidation. That is the reason why you can see that we had both green and red around here. This was like a phase of consolidation. Okay. And there was low momentum, there was low volatility. That's the reason why you can see how the bars were short, right? But then at this point, after we had a breakout, you can see that gradually the length of the bars began to increase. All right, and it shows that the strength of the trend, is quite quite on the high side. Like the strength of the trend was on the high side, right? So that is also indicated by this lengthening of the green bars. All right, now after we had the bullish move, just right after the bullish move, we can see that there was a breakout. Okay, there was a breakout in the downward direction, right? There was a bearish breakout, and the indicator changed the color to red, signifying that bearish breakout. So right after the color changed to red, it should have been a good opportunity to enter a sell. Okay, confirming that there was bearish momentum. And then as the bars began to increase in length, it shows that the strength of the bearish trend was getting higher. Okay, it shows that the strength of the bearish trend was getting higher. And then at this point, it changed to green again. So you could have considered exiting your sell trade at this point. So if you had entered around here, and exited around here, you'd have caught about 80 pips. All right. Or you can decide to use support levels to determine your exit, or you can even use other indicators to confirm your exit. So whichever option you prefer. All right, whichever option you prefer. Okay. Now, in the case of a buy trend, the reverse is just the case. You have the green color indicated by the indicator, showing bullish move, and then when you have the bars begin to increase, it's showing the strength, increasing strength, and then when you enter a buy, you at the side of the green bars, you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and for your take profit, you can decide to use resistance points, right? You can actually decide to use resistance zones to exit your buy trades, or you can decide to wait for the red bar to form before you exit your buy. So whichever option you prefer. So if you had entered a buy around here after this green bar formed and you exited around here, you would have caught somewhere around perhaps 85 pips. All right. So that's also a good catch. Now, when you are using this indicator, all right, always pay attention to risk management. In fact, any indicator you are making use of, always pay attention to risk management. The trend catcher indicator does not guarantee profit, and same with every other indicator out there. There is no single indicator that guarantees profit. So always make sure that you observe good risk management. All right, do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and also do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Okay, it is not advisable at all. All right, and also make sure you observe good risk to reward ratio. For example, if you are risking $1, your potential profit should be $2. So after you have calculated your risk, make sure you calculate your potential profit, and it is going to guide you. Okay, it's going to guide you on the lot size to use. For example, if you're risking 2% of your capital, it's going to guide you on what lot size to use. Make sure you have calculated your lot sizes, calculate your risk, calculate your reward before you even enter the trade. Okay, those calculations ought to be done before entering the trade. All right, so make sure that you are always practicing good risk management strategies in order to be successful in the long run. All right, so in the meantime, I hope you found this video insightful. Thank you for watching. And if you have not yet liked the video, you might want to do that now if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching once again, and happy trading.